Meaning of interpretable.
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 Interpretable. Interpretable refers to the ability of a system or model to be understood and explained by humans. In the context of machine learning, an interpretable model is characterized by the transparency and comprehensibility of its decision-making process. In contrast to black box models, which are difficult for humans to interpret, interpretable models provide insights into the reasoning behind their predictions and can therefore be more easily audited, debugged, and improved. The importance of interpretability is increasing as AI models are used in high-stakes applications such as healthcare and finance, where trust and accountability are paramount.